Hi everybody. Hold on. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog is how do I do my makeup. So I'm going to do a tutorial. I'm going to do a makeup on this, which is Joy. I don't know if you know the movie Inside Out. I'm going to do this makeup. I don't have no like blue wig or anything, but I'm going to wear my regular black wig. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup. So this is like a tutorial how to do my makeup. So I'm going to be using a little brush. So I need to get blue for the eyebrows for my eye. So I am using this type of blue right here. This is the blue I'm going to be using. And if I need a mirror, I will look at the mirror on this little makeup palette here. So I'm going to put some blue on my eye. I might need a little more. Okay. So basically when people do their makeup, they like to wipe their face. But of course, when I am done, I am going to wash my face anyways. Because I do not want the makeup to stay on my face because it would damage your skin tone. And it's not good to leave your makeup overnight because it would damage your skin tone. And you do not want to have damage skin tone. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing under the eyelids. I'm going to tell you guys something. First time I used to been so afraid to put makeup under my eyelids because I always start to get water under my eye like I'm going to cry. See, like right now, it feels like you're about to cry. Well, I'm going to put some under here. Okay. All right. Let me know what you guys think about this look. So honestly, I didn't realize, but on her eyelashes is blue. Right there is blue. So I'm gonna be doing that to my eyelashes. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I put in makeup on my eyelashes. Like that is crazy. Okay. So we're gonna put blue. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try. It might not work fully, but I don't know if it's blue, but I put it here, but I don't know. But that's the best we can do to that, right? And my skin tone's a little darker, so it might not show it clear. So this is it right there. Okay, let me know if you guys could see it, but I don't know. And I have soft eyelashes, so yeah. Now her cheeks is like pink. So I gotta find my beauty blender. Okay, so her beauty blender. So I have to use a light pink for the peach and the lips. I don't know. Guys, let me know if you would do this type of makeup. I don't know. But I'm following it. Okay. And now I have to put lipstick or the mouth. Try to find a pink lipstick. Pink. Pink, 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 pink. Okay. So glad I have my Aveeno pink lip balm. And then you're gonna okay. All right. Okay. I have to fix my eye right here. I see like the makeup didn't go here. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to put on my wig. So let me pause while I put on my wig. Alright guys, so this is the makeup itself. Let me show you the picture. I don't know why my eyebrows look like that. Okay, so this is the picture. Oh. I'm supposed to color the eyes, so let me get something. I may have missed something. Oh my goodness. My hair is really messy. Okay guys, there is something I have missed that I did not do. It says I have to color under here as well. So, like I have to color these. Okay. So, ooh. Okay. So, this is the makeup look, a tutorial. Okay. So, this is what I did. I did Joy from Inside Out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this, how well did I did. I did the cheek. Could have done the cheek a little bit more. I did the lips, it matched the eyes. This one you can't really, you can actually see it, yeah. The light actually make it see it more, you know. And I didn't have a blue wig, and yeah, I did Joy from Inside Out. And if you guys want to watch that movie, I will put that in the description. It's a wonderful movie. I watched it year 2015. It's a beautiful movie. So this is my makeup tutorial, and this is how I do my makeup. And if you guys like this video, comment down below what you guys think about this one. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.